Hello guys, this is my update for my baby succulent. It's become big now. Have another one. This one. Oh, this. And this and this is still. I have only two growing. Beautiful. And this is new for maybe 1 week now. This is my propagation. I have new planting here. Just now I repot. I don't know what will happen, it will grow or not. These two small because almost dying before, guys. That's why I repot. And then this jade plant, it's I take it from here because this guys is very too much grow before, and then I cut some. I put it here. I transfer. And this one also, I try to grow my jade plant. And this is my tiger. I don't know this one, tiger jade, or I don't know. I replanted before, guys, and almost done because it's too much. That's why I put it in the big pot. And this is the bonsai. I don't know if this one will grow more. Because before the leaves become yellow, and I remove it and then it's grow. But it's very small, guys. I don't know. Very slow to grow. And my crassula, I try to cut it and put in another pot so it will grow my succulent. I will give you an update if they are done. This one, my crassula. I'm not sure if this is alive or not, guys. Another one. And this is my cactus. Too much babies. And I have a small, this is, guys, this gift. When I buy plant from the shop, they give me this gift, small cactus. This is my, I forget this name. I will write it down. It is alive. And this is my butterfly agate. It was repotting before, but I think it's alive now. It's okay now. And this is my special because doesn't want to, I think doesn't want outside, because before I put it outside it was
This one,
the leaves become like this, but this is healthy, guys.
and it's